What's the deal, y'all? Car Guru back with another one. So today, I'm gonna take y'all with me on a little trip I'm gonna be doing. I ain't going far, but gonna check out some things. I don't know if they're gonna be open today, but we gonna find out. If they're not gonna be open, maybe I'll show y'all what I'm talking about. But other than that, I'm about to hop in the whip. Oh, gotta show y'all a little incident that happened. I was driving a Maxima, man. If it ain't something, then it's always something. If it ain't, you know what I'm saying? If it ain't one thing, then it's another. Always something going on. Happy New Year's. This is the first video of the New Year's, if I post it. So, Happy New Year's to all my new subscribers, all my old subscribers that have been sticking through with me. We at 480 subscribers, so I appreciate everybody that has subscribed. Let's get to 500. We almost there, and after that, we got to get the watch time, the watch hours up, so we can get monetized and all that good stuff. So we start really doing what we want to do on the channel. But y'all about to start seeing all type of stuff. So anyway, man, I'm leaving work. Somebody come flying past me. And they knocked off my whole mirror, shattered my mirror and shit. So now I gotta get a new cover and a new mirror. Move the fuck out the way. I do not like bees. God damn. But I'm thinking about just getting a mirror, since most of my little mechanism is there, and just getting the cover. Because at first I was gonna replace the whole thing. Feel like it might be easier, but I cannot find anyone that matches color, and then find them with the turn signals is even harder. So I think I'm just gonna get the mirror and the cover. So we about to hop in. Oh goddamn, I left my phone in the house, so I'll get back with y'all when I hop in the whip. But yeah, man, I'm back in the whip. Gonna take off this GoPro that I could have sworn I charged. About to die. And my little extendo battery doesn't charge it while it's recording. It sucks. So I'm gonna let it charge up a little bit. When I get there, I'll turn on the camera. Alright, check y'all in a second. So we got about 15%. So I'm gonna cut it out to show y'all real quick. It's not the charger, but that is nice. Let me know what y'all think. For those who went in the comment section, I mean the community section, and voted, saw the different options. So y'all would know that I got a Hemi. So I'm gonna have to come back up here when they're open and talk to them. What y'all think? I like this one right here. Then they got a V, Cadillac V right here, 2013. That could be an option. What do you guys think? But coming to look at this, man. SRT 8G. Y'all should already know that. It got the steering wheel I like, but it just don't have the shifter I like. But that's fine. This is what I wanted to come look at, y'all. It's muddy over here. It's blue and with black interior. But yeah, it's time to get rid of the Maxima 2024 is gonna be riding this something new. And I got my eyes set on the SRT 8 Jeep. I went to go look at another one, but they sold it. So yeah. Let me know what y'all think, man. They got all types of stuff over there. They got Julia's, they got BMWs, Mercedes. That V and this AMG right here, 'Here, 'Sexy. But yeah, man. So let me know in the comments what y'all think. And then for those who got a different opinion, you go to the community tab. Or should I get the WRX? Oh, what about that? That'd be a cool little car too. Psych. I'm into V8s right now, so yeah. So go down to the community tab if y'all feel I should pick something else. Or should I get the V6 version of the SRT8? Let me know. Good chill. That's the plans for 2024, to hop in something new, cause your boy Maximo is cool. Did what I was supposed to do, you know what I'm saying? Been saving, building my credit, and then it's Maximo for life. Almost 2 years, probably 2 years, honestly. Yeah, 2 years now, so. And we at, what y'all see that? What does that say? 104,000 miles. When I first started driving this, I only had 96. And then when I started going to work, Lake Forest, Norwalk to Lake Forest every day. It's like I'm driving to Vegas every week. So, yeah, I'm ready to get something newer at least. And that was a 2018 SRT Jeep, blue with the black interior. Seen it had the little carbon fiber little pieces on the inside. They was closed, so I couldn't get the inside view and hear it start and all that good stuff. But today is New Year's, so a lot of people would be closed. If I was a business, I'd be open. 2024 is trying to get that new money, and everybody wake up New Year's like, hey, you trying to spend some money? I mean, shit, I was. But yeah, man. So I'm gonna end this video here. I'm gonna keep searching online and stuff for other little whips that I like, but like I said, drop a comment down below and let me know what y'all think of the car. If y'all think I should get it, if it'd be good for the channel. If you don't think it'd be good for the channel, what do you think? Let me know what you think would be good for the channel, what y'all want to see. So anyway, Car Guru signing out. Check y'all out next time. But I will tell you this one thing right here. I will miss this part. Gas. Running out of gas if I get the truck. Woo! Ain't gonna be nothing pretty with the miles I'll be doing back and forth to work. So yeah, out here in California we had I don't know if you can see that, 489. You can see that over there. I don't feel like zooming in, but yeah, 489 for the premium, 91. Everybody else got 93 and all that good stuff. Let's see where I'm at. See, you're already over half that. I already had gas though. Put in $40. Should be full for maybe, and hopefully that lasts for the week. Since I'm only gonna be working 4 days since I had today off. Since it is the new year, 2024. Plans for 2024 is to take trips, have good times, and I'll be taking y'all with me. So y'all be able to see all the trips me and the homie got planned and all the extra fun stuff we be doing. $40, 8.1 gallons. Let me guess. That's not even a full tank. And it say I got to empty 236 miles. Last time I went to Vegas and I filled this car up, I roughly get 300 and something odd miles to a full tank. So it's relatively not bad on gas, unless I'm in the gas. Then that's a different story. But yeah, man, I'm about to pull up to the house, about to barbecue some chicken and shit. So I'll get at y'all later.